It's D. Andy. Not Andy, but like and D. And you say her name.
Skylar.
Oh my God, she gonna really act like she don't know her name.
That's our goddaughter. But I wish I would have did an intro this morning, but we didn't. But I just came back from a counseling session by myself. It was cool. It was the first session, so you know, with counseling, that first session you have to just basically inform the counselor about your life. So nothing really got accomplished or anything, but yeah. Today we are going to my niece's birthday party. Going to my dad's house because that's where Devin's party is going to be. So pretty. But yeah, I know it's been a minute, y'all. A lot has happened. A lot of doctor's appointments. A lot of still confusion about my health. I started taking antidepressants. Have to wait a month to really see how they do, but yeah, still working through it. Yeah, it's not much update, but yeah, we'll check back in later. Bye. So y'all say hello to the birthday girl.
Hello to the birthday girl.
They're having drinks together. Skylar just goofy. We had to pause the music, y'all, because copyright.
Ain't gonna copyright me.
Y'all see her blue and pink eyeshadow?
Ain't no copyright me. For real.
You're goofy.
You're a unicorn, right? Y'all, look at this pretty unicorn. Let me see. Let me bring it close so y'all can get the full. Y'all gotta get into this look right here. Look at that beat. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Debbie. Close them. Oh, she killing them. Oh, she killing them. Check her out. Close it one more time. Oh, hey, y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready out here. What's up? Talk to him, Devin. You gonna see yourself on here when you watch it with your mama, so you gotta talk. You gotta say something. Hey, she talking about be lovely. Say it again, Debbie.
Birthday boy.
It's a birthday boy.
Yeah, we gonna record a mukbang for you too.
Yeah, we got to with Devin. We gonna
That's a separate
have
video.
we gonna have you in there, Devin. You gonna be on our video. Yeah, Coke good. She chewing the ice, y'all. That's how you know she thirsty.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. She gonna break her teeth. Randissimo.
What's that? Hey, what's happening?
Hey.
Please don't put a bunch of salt.
A bunch of salt.
You see how big that thing is? It ain't gonna be that bad.
It ain't gonna be that bad. Oh, y'all. We gotta catch y'all up about this one and what's been going on. But it's been a doozy. Skylar.
What are you laughing at?
She just too goofy. All she wanna do is laugh. Come on, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all outside too. Come on. We finna go outside. I would put somebody on here, but they going through something right now. Look, y'all, that's Juju. So this the backyard where everything gonna go down there. It's early right now, so it ain't all the way set up. Juju, come here. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Hurry up, hurry up. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come on, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, come on, come on. Can you say hey? Say hey. He in his own little world. It ain't no boys here right now, so he's solo right now. Oh. 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 Hey. We got our future soccer player back here. You know, he working, he practicing right now. Y'all see him in a couple years on FIFA or something like that, going crazy. Going crazy. I was showing them the future soccer player.
Who?
Juju.
He got that strong.
Yeah.
That, basketball, he kicking.
What? Our future soccer.
And it needs some healing. I mean, some
air.
So it's heavy.
That boy is strong. Our future soccer player out there. I told them they're gonna see him on FIFA.
And then when you use a soccer ball, it's gonna be.
Hey, it's gonna be way easier when you get. What you doing here?
Laundry.
All right, y'all. We're gonna come back after we
Go get my water.
after everything gets set up.
Ooh, look at the dress, the unicorn dress. You look so cute. Spin around.
Right here. Yeah. That's not it.
That girl is pretty.
Yeah.
You are black.
Yeah. Gigi. Say hey to the vlog.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Girl.
Get my camera time. What's up, Breezy Gang, gang, gang? Today we're here with another seafood warrior. That's our YouTube tag when we start. What's up, Breezy Gang, gang? We going to see. Oh, I need a. Tell me get a lighter.
Go get him. Go get him real quick. Gigi, go run and get Aiden and Ashton. She can run from the side, huh?
Tell them to get a lighter.
Look at her. Devin. Look at you, girl. You like your stuff?
Get them all on the vlog.
Girl, I'll cut it out. I'm going to cut it out for you.
Gigi was like, that's
Cause I don't remember you.
Come on, y'all.
Look at those doors.
oh, that is pretty, Devin. You look so beautiful.
She said, no, thank you.
Like 2 and 2 now. Look at Jojo.
Girl, I'm on my front camera. Girl. Look.
He picked me up on YouTube. You put it on YouTube? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Lighter, Randy.
Girl, you look cute. You look cute. You look cute.
Okay. Hey, don't touch that. Don't touch that ball. Yes, sir, ball.
Who blowing out your
I know. That's why I was like, burn my hair. Burn my thumb. Me too.
Okay, the backside.
Why you
No, you're not.
All of our candles are lit.
Take one eye.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Light the rest of it.
I don't
Cut from
understand
the
why
same
y'all
cloth,
didn't like
I
the
guess.
ones in the back first.
That didn't work like that for me. The wax was.
It's all right. They'll be all right in the wax.
Don't got no sense.
Eating a little wax.
It's going to.
Nobody gonna eat all that icing right there. Anyway. That's
Exactly.
just a
Just
bunch
scrape
of
it off.
Okay.
That buttercream icing hard.
Nasty.
That's my child.
All right, y'all, come on.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. mukbang today. So Devin, what we doing?
Eating cake.
The boy.
What's up, Breezy Gang?
What's up, Breezy Game Game? We're gonna eat for the boil.
Happy Sunday. Because it's Sunday.
It won't be Sunday for them.
Oh yeah, sure. When y'all see it, it'll probably be what, Monday? Hopefully Monday. We praying on it.
But we're on the way to church
Amen.
for the first time. Well, for me,
I've been going.
first time in a long time. This morning was a struggle, but because of my wonderful husband.
Stay persistent. That's all it is. Gotta stay persistent with her right now, y'all. Because she's quick to try to just cave in. It's okay. She looks gorgeous. By the way, got a little lipstick smudge on. But yeah, y'all.
So yeah, yesterday we were supposed to do a mukbang, but
Oh yeah.
baby, we got into them shrimp, into that shrimp and stuff. By the way, I'm not really supposed to have because my cholesterol is a little high. But look, y'all, I ate broccoli
With the shrimp.
and I didn't eat no potatoes.
No corn. Well, you had one corn.
I had one corn, and I didn't eat them sausages. So
She did good.
I'm making progress because
If it
any
was
other time,
wood, she would have went crazy on everything.
crazy. And it was so good. I was calling my daddy because he put a lot of salt and stuff in it. But it really was good.
It was.
It was really good. But yeah, y'all. I put on me a little makeup today. I don't have a full face of foundation on. I just have some up under my eye.
And me too, y'all. Y'all see I got the little, y'all see how I'm glowing right now? You know, you see it? It's only because of my wife. I'm just happy that she's coming to church with me today. That's my glow. She gave me my glow today, y'all. Thank you.
It's nerve-wracking going to a place that you haven't been to since. Well, it's nerve-wracking for me going to a place that I haven't been to since I was pregnant. It just brings back a lot of memories. But what do you do to overcome fear? You attack it head on. So, yeah.
That's all we can do.
But I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long because we be talking a lot.
Well, in this car, we ain't gonna hold y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you, shorty. I ain't gonna hold you.
So we'll see y'all later.
After church.
Probably when we get back home.
Yep.
So y'all, we just got out of church. We're at the gas station, and church was okay today. Obviously, it was hard, but got through it. Hooray! I'm sleepy, and I'm not sure if it's the antidepressants that's making me sleepy, or if it's just I'm not a morning person. And also, it makes me feel numb in the morning as well. So it's just like people probably looking at me like, "Why is she so dry faced?" But it's like, I don't know. It's weird. Can't explain it. Well, I did, but I don't know if I explained it well. But, yeah, so today is Sunday. We have nothing else planned. About to go home. Make some chili with turkey. We have some beef, but it's not grass-fed beef, so I don't know if that's good for my cholesterol. Look at that, y'all. like that. Someone told me don't be depressed today. Too late. But I'm working on it. I'm working through it. How y'all today? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Let me know in the comments. Talk to me. Y'all pushing through? Did y'all go to church? If not, it's okay. Just make it there next Sunday. So. We'll talk to y'all later.
We made it. Home. Home, that is. Church was great. Great. And now we're... Ooh. Y'all see I had on white pants today. Yeah, I was feeling like an angel. I gotta grow up.
Oh, Tyler Perry.
Yeah, that show with the mama. It just made me feel so bad. So bad. Oh, y'all.
My phone on 20%.
Oh, I did not bring my charger.
I didn't bring mine either.
We'll have to put it down and bring it back up when we get home.
Yeah, I'll come back to show y'all my chili later.
Chile.
I just love the lighting in the car.
The chile.
But yeah, we'll come back to show y'all the chili. This will be a long vlog. I'm gonna make it at least 20 minutes.
At least.
At least.
Mind putting on that safety belt? Because it's yours, not mine this time, boo-boo.
This time, you drove.
It's yours, not mine this time, boo-boo.
Yesterday, you drove all
It's
the way
yours,
home
not
without
mine
your
this
seatbelt
time,
on.
boo-boo.
I ain't putting it on.
I don't want to hear that.
Just because you drove all the way home yesterday without yours on.
I don't know what she's talking about, y'all. I'm one of the most safety cautious drivers
lying.
you're going to ever meet. Look, y'all.
A liar.
Look.
Stone cold.
Come on,
Liar.
bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
I'm just saying. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I ain't gonna lie to you either.
I ain't gonna cap.
Alright, I might cap a little bit. For your
Big cap.
feelings.
Big cap.
Screw it.
But yeah. We'll see y'all later.
My wife, she's a mathematician. So we up in Kroger's, right? And the machine didn't give us all our change back. It gave us the dollars, but didn't give us our coins. So we short 35 cents. I'm just like, oh, it's all right. It's just 35 cents. She like, no, it's not all. We need our 35 cents. So we get one of the little attendants or whatever to come and help us out, right? And they get us our 35 cents or whatever. And as we leaving out the store, I was joking with her, just messing with her like, yeah, because we need our 35 cents. We need 35 cents. Our 35 cents. That's our 35 cents. And she say, y'all, she say, no, for real, that's right though, because imagine 30 people leaving 35 cents just saying that's all right. That's like $300. Oh my gosh, y'all. She said that's like $300.
But the kicker is,
we got in here and did the math.
he ain't know either. So every time play me,
I understand that,
He was
but
like-
I ain't even try to guess though. I just left it alone. I was just gonna leave it. I was just like, you know what? You graduated top 15%,
But-
so you might
but I
just
ain't
be
even
right.
think-
We need to do some math problems.
it's been how many years since I've been at school?
Facts. Miss it, but don't miss it.
And I got post-pregnancy brain still.
Man, that was funny though. That was so funny, y'all. She said, that's like $300. We come in here and do the math. It's 10.5. $10.
Okay, I should have said 3,000.
That would have been even worse. It would have been so
I
off.
need to just shut up, huh?
Like, just stop talking. Never thought I'd have to tell you that. No. Let's not try to make a point out of this. It's just wrong. Okay? You was just wrong.
Whatever.
Yeah, that was funny.
We always going to Kroger when we vlogging, huh? That's our life.
That's our store too. Kroger and Aldi's. You'll see us up in Walmart every now and again, but
You'll see him at Walmart.
facts. She do not want to go to
I'd rather
Walmart.
Target.
I like them both, but Walmart.
Walmart is just so congested.
I'm not gonna lie, it is though. It do be a lot of people in
Like,
Walmart.
it's just be like, oh, I can't even.
Target don't be that packed though. That's true.
I love
Like you gotta know the difference. Walmart got a McDonald's and the Target got a Starbucks. That's a different tax bracket. That's a different tax. Like for real, for real. Them boys put a Starbucks in there. And Kroger's got Starbucks too. I miss Starbucks. I want some Starbucks now. Oh, sorry. So sorry.
So, yeah.
We almost to the crib. Oh, man.
Hey y'all, so back at the house, and the chili is pretty much done. I'm just letting it simmer down in the crock pot. This is from scratch chili, no package stuff over here. Seasoned with special ingredients. Y'all don't know nothing about that. I ain't gonna say much. You know,
They don't know nothing about that. Ain't gonna say which.
you know what y'all know about that? Jalapeno chili powder.
Y'all don't know nothing about that. I'm telling you. No, they don't know nothing about that.
And you know, all the other ground cumin, all that other special stuff. So, we're just about to end this vlog. I want to make sure I come back to show y'all because I promised it. Ooh, it's
Hot.
hot. Burnt my
Well, tongue right there. Little
look
top.
at him playing this game.
Hey, if anybody got a PS4 and y'all got 2K, drop that
No,
what's
no.
your hand, baby?
You wanna say anything?
Hey. No, I ain't got nothing to say.
We hope that you all continue loving,
Learning
living
and growing.
with us.
Hey.